In this video, I will show you how to check your broadband or Wi-Fi network connection is stable or not stable. I have an Ethernet connection in my computer. I check my connection. Go to search box and type CMD, run as administrator. Now type this command, then click enter. Command text key in description. Request timed out. This message appears, your connection not stable, if not come to your connection stable. To solve this problem, you need to contact your network provider. That's it. Enjoy. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and share my videos with your friends. Thank you.